some fun properties like text shadow. This is a cool one. You can add a shadow to the text. And this one is special because if you've seen so far, the values is usually just one thing. But actually, CSS properties, the value can be multiple things, so long they're separated by a space each. So this property can take several values. And I'm going to write them for you here. So let's say 1px space 1px space 1px. And then I'm going to search black. We're going to understand what they are in a moment. But this is like a multi-value property, meaning you can type the first value and then space. Always have a space between the values. And then second, third, and then the fourth. Now, what do they mean? Let's have a look here. You see it added some sort of shadow. Let me make the text bigger. Font size, say 16 pixels. Better for you to see. Say 20. Run. Okay. I'm going to right-click that second paragraph, inspect, and let's play around with the DevTools to understand what the values are. Oops. So we got the element highlighted there. So I click here, and I'm going to click in each one. The first one, okay, I'm going to press the up arrow in my keyboard and understand what that does. Okay, I'm pressing up. So the higher that value, you see the thing is moving to the right, right? So the shadow is moving to the right. The more I have shadow, the first. So you can adjust it here. So this is like the X offset. So if you want it to the left, just make it negative. You can go down, down, down. See? Negative value. Okay, let's make it, I don't know, to the left by 3. Nice. Now what's the second one? You can go use the keyboard arrow. I'm pressing right arrow to move in my cursor to go to the second value there. And I can increase that and understand what that means. Oh, if I increase it, it goes down, the shadow, the black shadow. If I decrease it, it goes up. So if it's negative, it's like it goes up from the original. Okay, maybe I like it down by 3 like that. Now the third value here, if you move there, is like the blur. You can see if I increase it, it's blurred. You see, you can barely understand what it's saying in the shadow, the more you have. Okay, so that's the blur. So you can calibrate it. If you decrease it, it'll be clearer for you to see what the text is. No blur is 0. If you increase to 1, it's a little blurry and then keeps going. Maybe I like it like this, 4. I can barely understand what the shadow is, but that looks cool. And finally, the last value is for the color. If I click outside and I can click the color thing, circle, I can try different colors to see how it looks like. So you can pick whatever you want, what you think looks good for you, your use case. Okay. Green. That's like green. And always remember, once you're done with this, you like this, copy the value here or the whole property. You can highlight the whole thing actually. And Control C to copy or right click to copy. So make sure to copy this and go back to your code and paste that. Don't forget, because DevTools is always temporary. If you refresh, it's gone. Okay?